Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 21. Which of the following number is a perfect square? A. 99, B. 48, C. 40 and D. 36. We are asked to select an option which is a perfect square. Now you have to understand the meaning of perfect square for you to pick any option here. Now perfect square is simply a number. Perfect square is simply a number which is the square of another number in the number system. So perfect square what is a number which is the square of another number in the number system. Take for instance, now let me give an instance. I have what? I have 2. Now 2 is a number in the number system. Now the square of 2 will give me what? Will give me 4. Therefore I say 4 is what? Is a perfect square. 4 is a perfect square. Why? Because what? It is a square of a number in what? In the number system. That is the square of 2. Now the question says you should find which of the following is a perfect square. Now A here says 99, and in the number system there is no number you can what? You can take the square that will give you 99. No number. Now the closest number to this 99 is what? The closest number to this 99, which is a square, is 100, and 100 is a perfect square of what? Of 10. You can see now. So 99 is not a perfect square. Now B here says 48. Also 48 is not a perfect square because 48 is not a square of any number in the number system at all. It's not. The closest to 48, which is a perfect square, is 49, and 49 is a square of what? 7. So 48 is wrong. Now C says what? 40. Also 40 is not a perfect square. 40 is not a perfect square because it's not the square of any number in the number system. Now D here says 36. Now 36, let's see. 36 is what? Is a perfect square. 36 is a square of what? 6. 6 times 6, it will give us what? It will give us 36. And 6 is what? Is a number in the number system. Therefore 36 is equals to what? 6 square. When you square 6, you get 36. So therefore 36 is a perfect square. So our answer is D, 36. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos.